guys, coming at you with another one of those quick weekday dinners. Today we're going to be preparing a Napa Valley chicken, and I love everything about this dish, from its rich and aromatic sauce to just the fact that it's so quick and easy to prepare. Serve this up with a nice glass of wine. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Now let's get started.
I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la.
Start off by cutting 2 to 3 chicken breasts in half and season both sides well with some salt and pepper. I'm sprinkling the chicken with some flour, which is going to give these breasts a delicious coating while they fry, and feel free to cut them up into smaller pieces for an even quicker cooking time. Heat up an oven-proof saute pan with a bit of olive oil, and I'm going to fry this chicken only until they have a nice golden brown color on both sides. If you're new to my channel, I post quick and easy recipes every single week. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you don't miss out. Now, after that chicken is nicely colored, don't worry about it being done. Remove it from the pan and add a chopped white onion with some crushed garlic. Saute it about 2 to 3 minutes till it's translucent. And I'm going to finish this sauce by adding a 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 1 1/2 cup of chicken stock, and for the star of this recipe, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. This dish would not be complete without a bit of wine, so go ahead and add 1/3 cup of white wine and make sure the sauce is good on salt. Stir this around a bit and bring it up to a simmer. You're next going to add all of those partially cooked chicken breasts back into the sauce, nestle them in, and place them into the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. They're going to finish cooking for about 40 minutes. Don't cover this skillet because while this is finished baking, all of that sauce is going to thicken up a bit. All of those flavors will concentrate with the white wine, reducing into the most aromatic, rich, and flavorful skillet you have ever tried in your life. And let's not forget about that chicken by finishing it up in the oven, and all of that sauce locks up all of its juiciness with that delectable crust. It's something worth trying, and you'll certainly be glad that you did.
Like la 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 la.